Judge Walmershawn has denied Trump's lawyer's request for a mistrial for the second time in the hush money case. Trump's legal team tried to leverage Stormy Daniels' testimony about a 2006 sexual encounter with Trump that sounded non-consensual as a quick escape to a mistrial because it would bias the jury against Trump. So, someone gets on the stand and tells the jury what type of person Trump really is, and they want to scratch the entire case and start over? And when the judge dismissed the request, guess what Trump does? Resorted to his typical tactic of playing the victim and accused the judge of corruption.
Thank you very much. Everybody saw what happened today. I don't think we have to do any explaining. I'm not allowed to anyway, because this judge is corrupt. He's a corrupt judge. This judge, what he did and what his ruling was, is a disgrace. Everybody saw what happened today. He's a corrupt judge and he's totally conflicted. And I got to get back on the campaign trail. I'm not supposed to be here. We are so innocent. There's never been anything like it. Read every single analyst, legal analyst. I'm innocent, and I'm being held in this court with a corrupt judge who's totally conflicted. Take a look at his conflict. It's a disgrace to the city of New York, to the state of New York, and to the country. Thank you very much.
Do you feel like everything's messed up? Is Stormy Daniels telling the truth or not?
Short and very...
Trump cries that the judge is corrupt. In other words, he finally met someone he can't pay off to cover up his deceit. His reaction hints at escalation. Imagine what he will call the judge and the jury when he is finally found guilty. We know he's guilty, and that if he was innocent, he wouldn't be pleading his case to the cameras. He would take the stand and testify. But he knows that is too big of a risk because he can lie to the camera and he can lie online. But lying under oath would just add to his sky-high list of reasons he needs to be put behind bars. Donald Trump says he is not supposed to be here. You're right, Trump. No one should be in the middle of a presidential campaign and also in the middle of a trial for falsifying records in an attempt to cover up a sex scandal to protect your image during the last presidential race. And the only person who put you here is yourself. It is time to cut off the broken record. Trump attacks the judge every time a decision does not go his way. That is a manipulating and desperate way to avoid accountability for his corrupt actions. Whining about a gag order and calling it a disgrace when in fact it is a standard way of protecting the integrity of a trial is the real disgrace. Donald Trump and all of his dirty little tricks are finally being exposed, and there's nothing he can do about it but accept the fate he created. Donald Trump's actions in the courtroom raises serious concerns about his respect for the legal system. As this case continues to unfold, it is crucial to not fall for Trump's distractions meant to bend the rules in his own benefit. Donald Trump's relentless attacks on the justice system and blatant attempts to manipulate this trial in his favor expose a dangerous pattern and disregard for the rule of law. His consistent efforts to evade accountability through baseless accusations and victim playing only serve to underscore his corrupt nature. As this hush money case plays out, it becomes increasingly clear that Trump's actions in the courtroom are not those of an innocent man seeking justice, but rather a desperate individual scrambling to escape the consequences of his deceitful and unethical behaviors.